Looking at my client here, we're gonna take this drop fade from the corner of his C cups right there. His occipital bone is about right here. So we wanna dip it about a finger below. So my first guide is gonna be here. With my clipper, I'm gonna start making my guideline. Start dipping it. You guys see how I'm connecting it to that back little line that I indented in the back? We're gonna grab a sharper trimmer. This is 0 gap. I'm gonna go up and flick up. You guys see that stubble? I'm gonna flick up. I'm not gonna go all the way to the top. His hair does grow in different directions in the back, so make sure you guys take that into account. If it grows this way, make sure you drag your trimmer in that direction, in the opposite direction. Now with our shaver, we're gonna go up first and then flick up towards the top right here. And I'm gonna loosen up some of the pressure as I reach that top of the line. Gently flicking up. So any little stubble marks that you guys see here that the shaver didn't blend, I'm gonna go back in with my trimmer. So we're blending in that skin to the stubble. And if that doesn't work, just flip your trimmer like this is a little sharper in this angle. My 1.5 guard, I'm gonna go about 2 fingers up. Next thing, we want to repeat the same thing now with the 3 guard, the same distance. I'm gonna flick up. By flicking up, we just graze the hair and we go up and flick up, flick up. We want to conserve some of the darkness as we reach that crown. All right, so now we have the 1.5 right here, the 3, and this whole bulk. So what I want to do, I grab my 1.5 lever open, and we're gonna just start blending from here to here. So first, starting with the open, I'm gonna gently start flicking up a little bit. We're gonna go up maybe about, like, I'd like to say half of my index finger, of my pinky out, my bad. So just gently flicking up, flicking up. I'm just gonna be working from here to here. Midway now. We're gonna go a tiny bit lower. We're gonna use our thinning shears. We're not gonna use the 1 or the 2 guard. And we're gonna start here, in this zone. So this is the 1.5. We're gonna go above the 1.5 and start chipping. And then we're gonna account for the bulk here at the top. Just working in zones slowly. I'm using the thicker part of the comb for more of the bulky side on top of the 3. I'm gonna attach my half guard. We're gonna go up about a finger. Once we have this line in place, now we're gonna open up the lever and we're gonna blend this into the 1.5 that we set. It's very important to flick up because it's gonna make it easier when we go in with our thinning shears to try to blend everything out. We're just gonna be working from here to here and put it in the middle. Lever open again. Midway. So once we're done with that, we're gonna go in again, just this time with my thinning shears. I should say not thinning shears, these are my regular shears. These are from Faded Culture. If you guys want a discount, if you guys are interested in these products, just use my code David10. You guys get a 10% discount. Now I'm gonna blend this bottom line right here, going from the close to open. Just gently tapping that line right there. Just working towards the top of the ear. Midway. All the way open. We're basically kind of working our way into that half guard closed. Repeat the process now, lever closed. I'm gonna line up the vertical line bars here.